In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to record NFL Sunday Ticket games. Let's get started. Start by opening the YouTube app or YouTube TV app on your phone, Smart TV or computer. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account that has your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. Search for NFL Sunday Ticket or go to Sunday Ticket Hub. Browse the list of upcoming or live games. On YouTube TV, just select the game and click Add to Library. This will automatically record the game and saves it to your DVR. If you're on a regular YouTube with Sunday Ticket, you'll see a similar Add to Library option for live games. Once added, the game will save to your library. From there, you can rewatch the full game, highlights, or even skip commercials with DVR controls. You can also record entire teams or the full NFL Sunday Ticket package. Just hit Add to Library on a team or Sunday Ticket, and every game will automatically record. And that's it. That's how you record NFL Sunday Ticket games. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.